you could go to jail for pulling fire alarms unless there is a real fire in the building, or if you have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled, legal environment where it doesn't contact the fire department. But otherwise, you will go to jail for doing that because this is a very serious felony because this puts somebody else's life at risk. Like, if you pull the fire alarm for fun and the building or the house across the street is on fire and people are dying, and the fire department could not be there to save them because they had to respond to your false fire alarm that you pulled. Because of your actions, those people are dead, which is very sad. This is why you don't do that. It is not funny. So think of that before you go out and pull the fire alarm for fun, because you will regret it. It is not funny to put your loved ones in jeopardy. Anyone that has done so is in big, big, big trouble. And is very sad because they lost a family member due to this prank. Because they thought it was a good idea to pull the fire alarm as a joke, and it is not. I understand this very well. So, this is why you only pull fire alarms if you do detect a fire inside the building. Goodbye.